Happy Father's Day. We love you, Dad. We love you so much. I love you, Dad, till my last breath. I love you so much. It's true. Every father is son's first hero, daughter's first love. You are great. In happiness, in sorrow, you are always there for me. I may not have always said it, but I want to say it loud. I love you, Dad. I love you so much. Happy Father's Day. So many wonderful moments we have spent together. So many wonderful years in all kinds we weathered. Thinking of your father bringing memories to mind. Wonderful moments. I treasure this. You give me sincerely that why my dad. I love you so dearly. I love you. Delightful and loving, loved and admired. Dad, you were my hero, my life. You inspired, and when all my blessings are counted each day, thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. You are one who brought me all happiness. You never let me to touch sadness. You sacrificed entire life for my sake. Without you, my life will be fake. Without you, my life will be fake. Thank you, Dad. Happy Father's Day to all. Share it to everyone, friends. Thank you.